In this video today, I am going to show you how you can highlight motion in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. So in this case, we are following this person here, and I'll show you how to do this. So I have a clip here that I've dragged to my little timeline here. And I've used the razor tool right here to cut the portion of the video portion that I'm going to want to highlight. So starting on this clip here, I'm going to want to follow the highlight of this person right here. So in order to do that, we're going to have to duplicate our clip. So I'm going to hold down the Alt key of my keyboard, and I'm going to click and drag this portion of the clip just right above it. So we have two identical clips here of the video portion of the video where I'm going to want to track the motion. So to do this, for the clip that's on the bottom, I'm going to come over here to Effects Control. If you don't see that, make sure you're in Editing and Effects Control. Come here and find Opacity, and we're going to set the opacity of the bottom selected clip to 50%. So that's just of the bottom clip. Now we're going to select the top clip, and under Opacity, we're going to create an ellipse mask. And so we'll just make a round opaque mask here, or an oval. And I'm going to move my mouse until it becomes a hand so I can move it, and then I can position it by this person that I'm going to want to follow the motion. And so by clicking on either side, let's get this so I can get that on screen, and we'll just resize that. Okay, so this is where we're going to want our motion to start. So we're going to want to add a keyframe. So over here, where Track Selected Mask Forward 1 frame, we click on that, and you'll notice right here it has added a keyframe. Now we're going to move forward a little bit, and we are going to move our window to the new position, and you'll notice it's added a keyframe. And we'll move forward a little bit further, and we'll move that over, and it's added a keyframe. And we'll just continue this on until we've added as many as we want. And since it's a pretty smooth motion, I'm going to go ahead and just play it to here and move it. And then we'll play it, pause it, and move it, and play it to the end of our clip and move it. So let's check how that did. So we'll start playing our clip. And here you see we've got our highlighted motion. And if you don't want the bottom to be quite so opaque, you can go ahead and select the bottom again, and you can up the opacity of the bottom clip a little bit. Let's maybe set it to 65, and then we can see what that is going to look like. So coming from this clip, and just play around with it until you get it the way you want it to be. And that is how you can highlight video using Adobe Premiere 2022. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!